Why would they drive right there? What the fuck? Every day Terry gets out, heads up this way, coming to work. And today we got something for him. We're going to blast him outside around the corner with a potato cannon. It's going to be great. Yeah, we're going to fuck him up when he comes down around the corner. We're going to shoot Terry off that scooter. It's going to be good.
Fuck Terry.
What is that?
Propellant.
Kaboom.
Kaboom.
Oh, this is gonna be so fucked up. I'm gonna go over here, see if I can catch him coming. It should be about time. Terry should be coming around in a few minutes here. He comes right down this little road. And Eric and them are gonna get his ass with this cannon, I think. We're gonna wait on him for a second. Shit, there he is, dude. Look. Oh shit, here he comes, here he comes. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh my god, he's gonna kiss!